Hi, welcome to nETSETOS. Today in this video, we will learn how to build a calculator using Tkinter and Lambda, for which if we type 7 into 2 equal to, it will give its result. So let's see how we can build it. So for making calculator, I have opened my PyCharm and made a new file with the name calculator.py. So as we are making calculator with the help of Tkinter, so I'll write from Tkinter import asterisk. So here I'll write tk and I'll pass it to some variable. I'll take val and here I will give the title as calculator. Here we need to give an I operator is equal to empty, and then we need to give text input, which will be string var. Here I will call it dot main loop and I'll press enter to this. Now it's time to create the number value which we need to display on calculator. So here I'll write text display is equal to entry well, and here I need to give font is equal, here it will be Arial 20 bold, then text variable is equal to text input 30, and then here I'll give width which will be 4, and then BG which will be blue in color, and I want this to be in right. And here I will give the grid which will be column span equal to 4. Now I'll give the button which will be starting from 7. So here button 7 is equal to button well paddx. I'll give it as 16. PD is equal to 8. FG is equal to, let's give brown. Then we need to give font which will be equal to Arial 20 and the same bold. Here comma, text should be 7, and here it will be dot grid, row is equal to 1 with column is equal to 0. Similarly we will create for 8 and 9. Here we will have for row 1 column 1, row 1 column 2, and here it should display 8 and 9. So first of all, let us run this and see how it is displaying. Here it is asking for row 1 column 0. String has no attribute grid. So for this, if I remove this and will paste here, similarly here and here, and I remove this. Now when I run this, I got this 7, 8 and 9, but when I click this it won't be giving. Rather we got a displayed picture of 7, 8 and 9. Now let us proceed further. Here I'll give for differentiating And then we have to display 4, 5, 6. So I'll just copy and paste. And here instead of 7, I'll give 4. Instead of 8, 5, 9, 6. And here it should be row 2, column 0, row 2, row 2. So let us check by running it. Here we got 7, 8, 9 and 4, 5, 6. Similarly, let's build for 1, 2, 3. So for this, I'll just copy paste till here and then paste over here. And here I'll give 1, 2 and 3. So instead of 4, it should display 1, here 2 and 3. And this time it should be row 3 and column will be same as 0, 1 and 2. Now let us run again. And here we got 7, 8, 9, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. Now we need to display logical signs, which will be multiplication, division, plus, minus. So I'll copy and paste it over here down below. And here instead of 1, I will give 0. And here 0. Row should be 4. And instead of 2, it should be clear. And we will display it by C. And here we will give equals. And here it should be equal row 4, row 4. Now we are left with plus, minus and in as well as division. So here we will also define multiply, copy paste the above one, and here we will define addition where we want plus sign and it should be row 1 column 3. Similarly, here I want subtraction for minus sign and here it should give row 2 column 3. Here it should be multiply row 3 column 3 and here we will have division for divide sign and here we should have row 4 column 3 as it is continuing with and match up with above. So let us run this. And here we got 7, 8, 9 plus 4, 5, 6 minus 1, 2, 3 into everything we got. So when I click this, it is not working as we need to define a function for it. So let us define it. So going above, I'm shifting it down. We will define a function with def btn click. We will take a click function where it is for numbers and we need to define operator which will be global and then operator plus str numbers which will be stored in operator itself and then text input dot set operator. Here we need to define this on every button here I'll write command is equal to, with the help of lambda function, I will define this button click, and here for 7. Similarly, I'll just copy paste, and here I'll define for 8, then for 9, and then for plus button, and it should be in string. Now again we need to define for 4, 5, 6, and then for minus button, then again for 1, 2, 3, and then for multiply button, for 0, and here for clear, then for equal. Here it won't be working for equal or clear, as clear is used for clearing the skin and equal for giving the output. But still, let's see how we are making the button active on a calculator. Then for division. So let us run here. So when I write 7, 2, 6, everything is working over here. Now let us make this clear button active for clearing the screen on this calculator. So for this, I'll go and define the function for it. Here I'll copy and paste it over here, as I'm very lazy. So here I'll give btn clear display, as it should be empty one. We have operator to be global, and operator should be the empty one, and text input to set empty string, because whatever there should be on screen of a calculator, it should get deleted by just clicking on C. C stands for clear. So we will go to clear button. Before this, I need to copy this. Here, instead of this, I will define button clear display. So let us see if it is working or not. I'll write everything, and when I press C, it will clear the screen on calculator. Now if we see 2 into 6 plus 9, and I want the output. Still it's not giving the output. So for making this equal active, to define function. So here we will go and make a function for equal, and here I'll just copy paste, and here I'll write button equal, operator should be global, then operator, and after this I'll give my operator to be inside eval, and then it should be a string one, so I need to typecast it, and we will pass it to the su, and here in text input I'll pass over here. Now I'll just copy paste and will paste in equals. So instead of this, I'll just paste it over here, and when I run this, if I need to write 5 plus 3 is equal to, it is giving error. Let us see what error we are facing over here. not be in string, so I'll just write as it is. So now when we run it, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So here our calculator is active now. So I'll give 2 into 6 equal 12. Now if I'll give larger value, 865 minus 236, it is working well. So in this video, we learned how to build a calculator using Lambda function as well as Tkinter. So hope you liked this video. So don't forget to give a like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Drop a like. Leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe.